Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the topic is describe a movie you watched recently. हाल ही में आपने जो फिल्म देखी उसका वर्णन करें. You should say when and where you watched it. आपने यह कब और कहाँ देखी थी. Who you watched it with. आपने यह किसके साथ देखी थी. What it was about. ये किस बारे में थी. And explain why you watched this movie. और ये भी बताएं कि आपने ये फिल्म क्यों देखी. So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. So sample answer 1 is, recently I watched a Punjabi movie called Jogi, which I streamed on Netflix about a week ago. I was at home and decided to watch it with my family as we all enjoying watching movies that explore meaningful and emotional themes. Jogi is set during the tragic 1984 anti-Sikh riots in India, and it tells the story of a young Sikh man named Jogi, played by Diljit Dosanjh. The movie portrayed his courageous efforts to save his family, friends, and community from the violence and chaos that erupted during that time. Yogi, along with his two childhood friends from different religious backgrounds, risked everything to help evacuate people from the city, navigating through immense danger. It's a powerful story of friendship, humanity, and bravery in the face of hatred and violence. I was drawn to this movie because of its historical context and the personal connection I feel to the events depicted in it. The 1984 riots were a dark chapter in Indian history, and Jogi sheds light on the human side of this tragedy, emphasizing unity and compassion amidst terror. Additionally, I have always admired Diljit Dosanjh as an actor, and his performance in this film was deeply moving. What I found particularly compelling about the movie was its portrayal of selflessness and the strong bond of friendship despite religious and cultural differences. The tension and emotional intensity kept us all glued to the screen, and the realistic depiction of the events made it a deeply impactful watch. Overall, Jogi is not just a movie, it's a poignant reminder of the power of love and humanity during the darkest of times. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a film that blends historical significance with emotional depth. Let's see another sample answer. A Hindi movie I watched recently is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I rewatched it last weekend with my cousins during a family gathering at home. We were in the mood for something light-hearted yet meaningful, and this movie perfectly fit the bill. The story revolves around three childhood friends, Kabir, Imran, and Arjun, who embark on a road trip across Spain as part of Kabir's bachelor's party. Each of them is dealing with personal struggles and life decisions. Throughout the trip, they participate in thrilling adventure sports and face their fears, all while rediscovering themselves and the importance of living in the present. The film beautifully captures the essence of friendship, freedom, and the value of chasing your dreams rather than being weighed down by societal expectations. I decided to watch this movie because it has always been one of my favorites. The movie's message of breaking free from the monotony of daily life and experiencing life to the fullest resonate deeply with me. I also enjoy its blend of humor, emotion, and breathtaking scenery, which makes it an enjoyable and uplifting watch every time. What truly makes Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara special is its relatable characters and life lessons. The way it explores concepts like fear, love, and self-discovery while showing the beauty of friendship leaves a lasting impact. The performances of the cast, especially Hrithik Roshan, Farhan Akhtar, and Abhay Deol, are top-notch, and the music adds an extra layer of charm to the overall experience. In short, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is not just a movie, but an ode to life, unpredictability, and the joy of living in the moment. It's a film I would recommend to anyone seeking both entertainment and inspiration. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.